Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Manha Hossain from Germany. So today I will be showing one of my mom's creation. So my mom will be making like a tray, like she will do a makeover. And yes, I hope you guys will enjoy it and learn from it how to do a tray. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for upcoming videos. Now my mom is putting on the golden steak on the tray. She also put the sticker on the back side and putting on the screw again. Here it's done. Mom put the golden stick on the tray.